Hey guys, this is Rich from the State College office. We're here to teach you how to set up the Desiccant 385 Dehumidifier. The Desiccant Dehumidifier is used typically in colder temperatures. The moisture comes in through the top and goes onto a silica wheel and then processes out from the back side of the dehumidifier. The difference between an LGR and a Desiccant Dehumidifier, the LGR uses like a radiator to collect the moisture and then thaws out and then pumps the water out of the back of the hose. With the Desiccant Dehumidifier, with the silica wheel, it actually takes the hot moisture and ducts it outside, so you don't need a drain tube to run the Desiccant Dehumidifier. Right now, Mammoth currently has 3 different size Desiccant Dehumidifiers. We have a 385, what we have right here. We have a 1200, and we also have a 4800. And the number represents the amount of CFM that the dehumidifier can handle. Alright, the first step in setting up the Desiccant 385 is we take the top part off. As you can see, we have a bunch of wires here. You actually have 2 separate circuits that you need to hook this up. The next step is we need to hook up the exhaust duct that leads to the outside. And currently, I already have the duct ring already attached to the insulated ductwork. You must use insulated ductwork. If you do not, you will get condensation built up in the line. As it goes outside, water will collect inside the ductwork and then affect different areas. So you just take the duct ring, close it up, make sure your window is blocked so you don't have any more cold air coming in here. That'll allow the hot, moist air to go outside from the dehumidifier.
Yeah.
Okay, at the top here you can see this is the intake where the process airflow comes into the dehumidifier. And down here you have your process air, your exhaust 10-inch duct. This is where your hot, dry air comes out. And you can also set up a duct system to duct this into another room if you need to. Final step, just turn the switch on, let it run.